Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Best Buy. Many supermarkets will offer different sizes of the same product. The prices of these different amounts will naturally be different or will naturally differ. We can save money if we can work out which size represents the best value. Let's look at two examples to highlight this. Number one. One particular brand of tea comes in two different sizes. 2 kilogram costs $7.50. 3 kilogram costs $10.20. Which amount offers the better value for money? So here's how we attack the solution. There are other ways, but I think this is quite a simple way. We're given that 2 kilograms cost $7.50, which gives us, that's what the arrow is, which means that 1 kilogram costs $3.75. You just divide $7.50 by 2. So that's the cost of 1 kilogram for the 2 kilogram pack. A 3 kilogram pack costs $10.20, which gives us that 1 kilogram costs $3.40. So you can see that the 3 kilogram pack is cheaper per kilogram. Hence, the 3 kilogram pack is better value. Number two, 3 kilograms of coffee costs $12.30. 4 kilograms of coffee costs $16. Which is the better value? Here's a solution. We're given that 3 kilogram costs $12.30, which means that 1 kilogram costs $4.10. You just divide $12.30 by 3. 4 kilogram costs $16, therefore 1 kilogram costs $4. You just divide $16 by 4. So you can see that the 4 kilogram pack represents better value because it is cheaper per kilogram. Hence, the 4 kilogram pack is better value. So this very simple video has given us a few examples where we can work out which is the best buy or the better value when we are given a particular brand of a product and it's advertised in different amounts. We just do the necessary calculation and we can work out which is the better value, and that helps us to save money.